Ladies and gentlemen, here's something from
Kasano mga tabi ito eh.
Shania Twain. Mamaya, half day tang agbasa ti message. Apa yang kita i-mic mo pa iti aguyo kan?
Tam na malasin tang live yan.
Sige ma.
Yeah. Looks like we made it. Look how far we've come, my baby. We might have took a long way. We knew we'd get there someday. They said, I bet they'll never make it. But just look at us holding on.
Baterya mo na.
We're still together, still going strong.
Still the one.
Still the one I run to, the one that I belong to. Still the one I want for life.
Still the one.
Still the one that I love, the only one I dream of. You're still the one I kiss goodnight. Ain't nothing better. We beat the odds together. I'm glad we didn't listen. Look at what we would be missing. They said, I bet they'll never make it. But just look at us holding on. We're still together, still going strong.
Still the one.
Still the one I run to, the one that I belong to. Still the one I want for life.
Still the one.
Still the one that I love, the only one I dream of. Still the one I kiss goodnight. Still the one. May kita-kita na.
So fire. Still the one.
Still the one I run to, the one that I belong to. Still the one I want for life.
Still the one.
Still the one that I love, the only one I dreamed of. Still the one I kiss goodnight. I'm so glad we made it. Look how far we've come, my baby.
Okay, dahil kitang artist series of songs nga English nga request apo dito ay text line tayo kat bumasa tayo kaya kita mensahes nga apo talaga nga bot.
Mukpay nga natin basa dito yung nagaduda mo.
Basta pugtong latan pindo. No sino di muna di mapangam ay ko nagasat ng dagiti
Naragsak pa nagdengag ti Family Corpus, Family Peralta, Family Urbano, tsaka Lauredo, Family ti Rizaluna, ken ti amin nga dengdengeg. Ita programa yung kaya Jun, nang nangro na ken Jong Peralta. From Vicky of Ramon.
Kita man naka-online apo nga 8081. Thank you very much for watching our live Facebook live. Ayan.
Apo.
Tony Rose Gabaldon, Tupay ko na. Tupal ko na. Kahit busy, masulyapan lang kayo, buo na ang araw ko kunan.
Oo na yan?
No awan ta siguro ko 22 lang ti oras di ayan na kurang tito nga oras. Kuna naman Elechor Ramos Jimenez, nice po kuna na lang. Ang galing-galing by Robin Tony Catch. Kuna na Tony Catch. Agito yung ngamin balbalik tatin da iti ko apelyido Jackie Not. Kuna naman ano ba dito mo?
Ay, ano, Jackie Chan.
Ano eh? Tony Catch. Kuna na siguro. Ay ka Tony Catch siguro dito.
Ay, daman tong tawagan.
Respetaram. Okay, apay nagsinukat kayo ti Mike Manong kuna na ni Mark June.
Malublobat, dahil
Ati ngamin Mike mi nga may sakit malublobat apo ko no sino ti lead vocalist ala na dito Adawire na. Ayan.
Di battery data, Motolite.
Natagsan. Okay, mabalin layang ha.
Di lang mabalin nga mansom dagay making love ti air supply. Sagot ko kina Apo Fernando jay Fugao. Wala.
Ako madi apo nang ato
Making love, out of nothing ero. Madi dati bulbul ata mo kanta na aja.
Ana.
Automatic arelo,
Seco pipe. Amo mo tayo ita, nangig ko iti.
Aya. Good PM sir, binabati ko po sila Rosemary Carion, Vicky Naniong, Mayra Castroverde, Virgie Dalis Singina,
okay.
Sonia Salting, kung ano naman.
Salting.
Wine. Wari basaan.
Salting.
Wine. At happy birthday to Ma'am Beth from Stop of Community Drug and Grocery.
Ayan. Thank you very much for listening. Community Drug and Grocery. Sana po next time mag-advertise po kayo dito sa estasyon namin. Murang-mura po lamang. Ayan. And of course, in return, magiging malaki po ang investment. Return of investment na ika nga. Okay, basahan pa ito sa no?
Naimbang gamalumi ko kuya Jun. Kaya na ading John Mark, kablawak man nilakay ko nga ni Peter Ereman. Ngaglablaba. Ni Mirna Ereman daytoy from Cabarogis, Quirino Province. Naimbanggal daw yung manong, kasla kahit ko kayo makita. Libre ba timang kita kanyayo, no kwa dita? Naglaing, nagmayat talaga atakan tayo. Nga pinal kang ato ma'am.
What?
Manong, ata makapasala nga talaga, hehe.
Ayan, kindigiti at Apo dito yung stasyon data. Thank you very much for dropping by. Apo,
kasla mabuk na dyan eh. Taga Kabulay ba? Kabulay ya. Kita ba ya?
Apo, sinadata kami lang tako madita ikidalan na natin pag na kami dita kabulay.
Kanahin kami nga magmag na dita.
Gandang tanghali po manong, kuna na inika mo mo. Pakibati nyo kami dito sa San Guillermo, lalong-lalo na sa lahat ng Iglesia ni Cristo member at Family Eugenio. Salamat manong from Frieme. Awatan na Jay ko. Tumadir ka kay ibubuyan ito tabuko mo.
Ate garod na eh, kaya ka magbasa. Baka mati mabasa nga na lang.
Kuri man kita itader mo talaga.
Lekes ko man jay gitarman.
Gitarman ka na?
Gitarman.
Ay kapagbigyan daw.
Magarti gitara ta dito, hindi gitarman. Kuna na.
Ay sini Kuya Melvin di parang pagnati pag gitara ta.
Kurang-kurang ya.
Kurang-kurang ito jay buko na.
Ay apaw, nempaggal daw pare John kan ating GM. Kablawak dagitinsan ko nga tagang Batale Ramon iso da Vidal alias Lucais. Arnel alias Bukto. Kitek alias Kaldeng, kanti amin nga taga Puruksing ko ang Batale Ramon, ko Kablao, Amado, Antalan, dito yung Batale. Patugtungman pa rin ito, Jismosa ni Manang. Speaking of ang Batale Ramon Isabela, Kablawak man na po ti ni Kagawad Jesse Leonard Laddaran. Iti ang Batale Ramon Isabela.
Okay, member.
Karahin ka nung adumdungag isuna, iti programa ta, kuna na.
Katibagam to kanya nga mabalin pa nga buyaan hangating ganan. Baya Facebook Live.
Baya Facebook.
Kangarod.
Ang dengag nga tani apong mayor tayo, tata.
Nalabit nga maturog tatang oras. Ipadanon lang yan apo, dagiti kamang na, dagiti gwardiya na dita, no sinuman ti dumdumang kada kayo, pakibagay man kini mayor. Jesus de la Daran nga, kabkablaawam mi isuda. Tapnohan nga agungot, no gabsinta. Kangarod, para kada kiti nag-request ti Gitarman, dahito yun apo, iti sonata para kada kayo. Draws the crowds and plays so loud, baby, it's the guitar man. Who's gonna steal the show, you know, baby, it's the guitar man. He can make you love, he can make you cry. He will bring you down, then he'll get you high. Something keeps him going, miles and miles a day, to find another place to play. Night after night he treats you right, baby, it's the guitar man. Who's on the radio, you go listen to the guitar man. Then he comes to town and you see his face, and you think you might like to take his place. Something keeps him drifting, miles and miles away, searching for the place to play. listen to the music and you like to sing along. You want to get the meaning out of each and every song. Then you find yourself a message and some words to call your own and take them home. You high. He will bring you down and he'll make you cry. Something keeps on moving, but no one seems to know what it is that makes him grow. Then the lights begin to flicker and the sound is getting dim. The voice began to falter and the crowd is getting thin. But he never seems to notice. He's just got to find another place to play. Fade away. Got to play. Basa mo dito palong kasta importansya na dito nga message. Ako na.
Perme, importante na ito. Mayat tikan tayon for decade duo. Kablawak man ti Mayor ti Ramon.
Nako, kapag bagata lang.
Mayor Jess Ladaran, kablawak nga naggapo ti Ladaran family. Iti Caloocan, Alicia. I love you, Mayor. And for decade duo. Larry Marcelo Ladaran from Alicia.
Okay. Kita man lang adagan ko kabagyan ni Mayor dito Alicia.
Baka di kabsat na dito siguro.
Good afternoon mo at kati kiti kakabsat na di Amerika ni Mayor ni Paul Ladaran iso di kanay kong text dito. Okay. One kini administrator tayo naganang.
Ni Sir June Dato Ladaran. Yes.
Afternoon king kasi. Ayan.
Naimbag nga malam yung Uncle John ken Kuya Mac pagigrit man ti Roderos family.
Taka kumita ko. Kumita ka dita.
Aya. Napay. Nagaduda gamain, madi mabasa amin nun. Sabay manulang minuto son.
Okay. Dispensarin nyo apo, dagiti hami nga mabasa nga text messages.
Sika mamad.
Too much traffic na imbangal daw yung manong. Pabati man po ang Marcos family na nakikinig sa inyo ngayon. Patugtog naman po ng King and Queen of Heart from Rosaline of Rizal, Santiago City. Okay. Good PM kuya, greet ko man ang family Macanas family, Agpalsa family, ang family Danyo and family Cristobal. It's me, Jefferson Macanas of Rizal, San Guillermo, Isabela. Pakiplay nyo nga po ang Power of Love. Kunana. Okay.
Manong, batiyag man ni tatay kong agraraop di jay tabok. I-request ko man tay pitpuli.
Nako, mga ganda kang aron parang agraraop mga kunam. O mo si radyo dito talong ka temaw.
Kanong nga di cellphone na.
Okay.
Para radyo di.
O, iti family Pasko nga kinanta mi apo iti Friday night.
San Mateo,
Isabela dito. Anong lugar di jayon? Sinamar Norte. Ayan.
Sinamar Norte.
Thank you very much apo ti panag-invite you ti 4-decade duo. Kat kasta ulit ti nagsakmi ta permiti pintas iti panang taripato yo, panang asikaso yo kada kami. Thank you very much once again. Iti family Paskwa, iti pinanawan ni manang Maria Paskwa dita San Mateo Isabela. Kat sagutan ta kay man ti kanta. Kaputa nagpipiksa ti palakpak na kanyata di jay San Mateo. Sagutan tayo may sakang tayo suda. Dahil tingarod para kada kayo. Panateng ako. Dapat nalungkot ta. Don't look so sad. I know it's over. But life goes on, and this old world will keep on turning. Let's just be glad we had some time to spend together. There's no need to watch the bridges that were burning. Lay your head upon my pillow. Hold your warm and tender body close to mine. Hear the whisper of the raindrops blowing soft against the window, and make believe you love me one more time for the good times. I'll get along, you'll find another, and I'll be here if you should find you'll ever need me. Don't say a word about tomorrow or forever. Bitin nga talaga tinawag na tayo, Jessica. There'll be time enough for sadness when you leave me. Lay your head upon my pillow. Hold your warm and tender body close to mine. Hear the whisper of the raindrops blowing soft against the window, and make believe you love me one more time for the good times. Okay, here's a special request. Nga nagapo-apo din dyan Chicago, Illinois. Kumanang Darlene, yan nag-request kay ka.
For all the times I felt cheated, I complained. You know how I love to complain. For all the wrongs I repeated, no one was to blame. I still curse that rain. Didn't have a prayer, didn't have a gloom. Then out of the blue, God gave me you to show me what's real. There's more to life than just how I feel, and all that I'm worth is right before my eyes, and all that I live for, though I didn't know why. Now I do.
Mati na pasukan. Mintis!
'Cause God gave me you. For all the times I wore myself
like a favorite shirt, all wrapped up in that. For every glass I saw half empty. Now it overflows like a river through my soul. From every doubt I had, I'm finally free. And I truly believe God gave me you to show me what's real. There's more to life than just how I feel. And all that I'm worth is right before my eyes. And all that I live for, though I didn't know why. Now I do. 'Cause God gave me you. In your arms some summer new, with every tender kiss from you. Oh, must confess, I've been blessed. God gave me you to show me what's real. There's more to life than just how I feel. And all that I'm worth is right before my eyes. And all that I live for, though I didn't know why. Now I do.
Feel na feel ta nga talaga mo tayo.
'Cause God gave me you.
Good PM for the Kiduo. Daman request ko intun anibersaryo ti FTD kat kumbitain nyo kumakas singers yo ni Juvie nga baka mo ni Odessa kini Nikki Boy nga kanakam ni Gina Kabsat mo kinilakay na apo nagmayatin tagdingag ni kabagis mo nga lani daytoy nag-request nga kumbitain to nga guest di familiam ta talaga mo nga gifted kayo aming nga kanta kunana ni HRMO mi DJ Ramon apo trying to connect kunana mo di ba isa. Okay, thank you very much kabagis Lani for texting kita man pati iso na text ito text line tayo tahan na siguro nga ma-reach dahil cellphone ko ta naka-live nga rod. Kat may sabi nga request apo ti ingkampat gantad ta. Ading ko tayo man request ni Kabsat Kathy kunana tay hero for her cousin Edeline Kalimlim. Ape awan ti tan na.
Kamu
Edeline Kalimlim
tan.
Kumang napukaw mo tayo apelyido na.
Ay, baka tinakaw da.
Tinakaw mo tayo apelyido na. Anyway, para king ka, Edeline, dahil ito yung sonata, kat ati hiro nga amuta, kat may hiro na Enrique Iglesias, baka no hiro mo ni kwa dahil ito Maraya. Ato ilatan hiro nga pang lalaki. Okay.
Let me be your hero.
Ay,
When
sige nga raw. Tumayab ka.
Sige.
Would you dance?
Pune?
If I ask you to dance. Kung namatay na. Would you run? Never look back. Would you cry? If I saw you crying. Would you save my soul tonight?
Would you tremble if I touch your lips?
Siyempre.
Would you laugh? Oh, please tell me this. No, would you die for the one you loved? Hold me in your arms tonight. I can be your hero, baby. Iba siya. I can kiss away the pain.
Oh, yeah. Wala.
Ano pa rin?
Ay, nakaboy ka.
You can take my breath away. Oh, shika.
Would you swear that you'll always be mine? Or would you lie? Would you run and hide? Am I in too deep? Have I lost my mind? I don't care, you're here tonight. I can be your hero, baby. I can kiss away the pain. I will stand by you forever. You can't take my breath away. Para ka, Edeline Kalimlim Tan. Iti Das Marinas Cavite from your cousin Kathy Cabal Salvador of Hilo, Hawaii. Kita ang long distance request. Hanlang long distance na pa-fair tan. Long distance request.
Ay, wala.
Kasla kanyata.
Apa ya?
Long tiki na pagtita.
Oh, I just wanna hold you.
Really? I just wanna
hold you. Have my hand too deep. Have I lost my mind? I don't care, you're here tonight. I can be your hero, baby. I can kiss away your pain, oh yeah. Oh, yeah. I will stand by you forever.
Pati na kita dito sa wanan taong ulit.
You can't take my breath
Okay,
away.
final line.
I can be your hero.
Ay, pagkaw bulat na ka na eh.
I can kiss away the pain.
Isangin mo!
And I will stand by you forever.
Kasta!
You can take my breath away. You can take my breath away. I can be your hero.
And for our final piece, here's something from the Bee Gees. And thank you very much for being with us. This has been your Manong June together with
Adik yoga.
Ada kami teman next week. Ngamang kata kayo ti liw-liwa kat katawa. Dito lang nga po 97.7 Sweet Radio Santiago City. Know your eyes in the morning sun. I feel you touch me in the pouring rain. And the moment that you wander far from me, I wanna feel you in my arms again. And you come to me on a summer breeze, keep me warm in your love, then you softly leave. And it's me you need to show. How deep is your love? Is your love? How deep is your love? I really need to learn, 'cause we're living in a world of phones, breaking us down when they all should let us be. We belong to you and me.
I believe in you. You know the door to my very soul. You're the light in my deepest, darkest hour. You're my savior when I fall.
And you may not think I care for you when you know down inside that I really do. And it's me you need to show. How deep is your love? Is your love? How deep is your love? I really need to learn, 'cause we're living in a world of fools, breaking us down when they all should let us be. We belong to you and me.
La 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 la. La 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 la. La 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 la. La 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 la.
And you come to me keep me warm in your love, then you softly leave. And it's me you need to show. How deep is your love? Is your love now? Okay, once again, thank you very much for being with us. Kat kastain ako namin. At kami to man next week. Apo, gusto nga padaanan ta kami to. Kat later lang. So maroon yung top 20 countdown dito yung 97.7 Sweet Radio. Ngarotes, God bless everyone.
We belong to you.